back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the next position of the pentatonic scale. So, you started off right here. The first time I showed you, you started on the 5th fret. We're doing an A, so you know this one. And the last time you learned this one, where you start right here on the G, and you go to the A, and it goes... And now we're going to learn this one. So we're going to go down one more. It's the farthest you can possibly go down for A. Next time we'll go up. But this time we're going to go down again. The only one that's not an open string is the B string. But the rest of the scale goes like this. It's going to be 2 big gaps, so you're going to go to the 3rd fret with the open string every time, except for that B. And then you got the next 2 are going to be smaller gaps. And then here's that B where you start on the 1st fret and go to the 3rd. And then the last one is a big gap, because the first one is the big gap. So again, it goes big, big, little, little. And then you got this weird one. And then the open string. There you go. And so that's the next position down. It's as simple as that. And I'll leave you off with this interesting chord here. I think I might have showed you in the past. It's in that song, I believe it's called From the Beginning. What a cool chord. I just love that chord. So what you do is you got your pointer finger right there on the 2nd fret of the A. Ring finger's going to go on the 3rd fret. Middle finger's going to go on the 2nd fret. And then pinky's going to go on the 3rd fret. And then the E's are open. Ooh. What a cool sounding chord, man. I love that chord. Kind of sour, but it's very cool.